welcome to Medical Dialogues Journal Club, your daily dose of health and medical news. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan and I am going to discuss about the COMPASS trial today. The trial aimed at assessing the net clinical benefit of low-dose rivaroxaban plus aspirin as compared with aspirin alone in patients suffering with chronic vascular disease. Patients with chronic coronary syndromes or even peripheral vascular diseases remain at an increased risk of cardiovascular events over long terms. Indeed, patients with chronic vascular disease are frequently at risk of both severe ischemic as well as bleeding events, which both need to be taken into account to evaluate the value of an additional antithrombotic therapy. Now, the COMPASS trial, which is the cardiovascular outcomes for people using anticoagulation strategy, abbreviated as the COMPASS, demonstrated that in patients with chronic coronary syndromes and or peripheral artery disease, the combination of rivaroxaban 2.5 mg twice daily plus an acetyl salicylic acid aspirin ASA 100 mg reduced the risk of cardiovascular events as compared with ASA monotherapy. The trial also showed that rivaroxaban 5 mg twice daily versus the ASA did not significantly reduce the primary outcome. If I talk about the trial in brief, the COMPASS was a double-blind, multi-center, randomized clinical trial that enrolled 27,395 high-risk patients with a clinical history of coronary artery disease, comparing ASA alone to the combination of rivaroxaban 2.5 mg twice daily and ASA, or rivaroxaban 5 mg twice daily with ASA placebo. The predefined net clinical benefit outcome was the composite of cardiovascular death, stroke, myocardial infarction, fatal bleeding, or symptomatic bleeding into a critical organ. The results of this particular trial highlighted the fact that a lower number of net clinical benefit adverse outcomes was observed with rivaroxaban 2.5 mg twice daily plus ASA versus ASA monotherapy, which became increasingly favorable with longer treatment duration. Therefore, the findings of this trial led the researchers to conclude that when compared with ASA monotherapy, the combination of rivaroxaban 2.5 mg when prescribed twice daily plus ASA resulted in fewer net clinical benefit events, primarily by preventing adverse efficacy events, particularly stroke and cardiovascular mortality, whereas severe bleedings were less frequent and with less clinical impact. The net clinical benefit strategy was particularly favorable in high-risk subgroups and those with multiple risk characteristics. Hence, rivaroxaban 2.5 mg twice daily plus ASA may represent an easy-to-use metric to comprehensively estimate the overall benefit of this particular treatment regimen in patients suffering with chronic coronary syndromes and peripheral artery diseases.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.